Her eyes and ears that were closed for the first 2 weeks of her life are now opening. And with this comes a whole new world of sensory stimulation. She uses her vision to move around. But does she see the world the same way we do? Well, dogs are colorblind. But that doesn't mean that everything is black and white. She does see color, but mostly just blues and yellows. It's because she only has 2 types of color receptors compared to humans who have 3. And it's also why your dog will often ignore an orange toy in the green grass, as those colors look the same to them. Better to give them something blue. But it's when things are moving that her vision comes into its own. Dogs' eyes process what they see more quickly than we do. It's almost like they see in slow motion. That's why they're always in the right place to catch the frisbee. A dog's hearing is also superhuman. They can hear things 4 times further away and twice as high-pitched as we can. It's why we can't hear dog whistles. But it also means they can hear the hum of lights and even the pulsing sound of a quartz crystal in a digital clock. But there's one sense she'll use more than any other: her sense of smell. A dog's brain is 1/10 the size of ours, but the part that controls smell is 40 times larger. They have up to 300 million scent glands in their nose compared to our 5 million.